Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for shirt designs. First, open Canva and select a blank canvas or a template. For optimal print quality, ensure your design dimensions are set to at least 150 pixels per inch. Canva offers a vast library of graphics, fonts, and elements to help you create unique and eye-catching designs. You can easily drag and drop these components onto your canvas. Now, let's get creative. You can add text, shapes, and images to truly personalize your shirt. Don't be afraid to experiment with various font styles and color palettes to make your design pop. Remember to keep all your design elements within the safe print area, typically about 1 inch from the edges, to avoid any cropping issues during production. This ensures your final product looks exactly as intended. To elevate your design, utilize Canva's powerful layering feature to arrange elements with precision. You can easily bring items forward or send them backward. Apply various filters and effects to your graphics to give them a professional and polished look. For maximum versatility when printing, especially on different colored shirts, consider using transparent backgrounds for your designs. This allows the shirt color to show through. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to export it for printing. Download your design in a high-resolution format, such as PNG or PDF, which are ideal for apparel. Always double-check the file size and resolution to ensure they meet your chosen printer's specific requirements. A resolution of 300 dpi is often recommended for crisp prints. Finally, give your design one last thorough review before sending it off to production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.